Step into a world where food becomes a celebration of health, flavor, and cultural legacy with the Mediterranean Diet Food List. This captivating culinary journey unveils a treasure trove of ingredients that have sustained generations along the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean Sea. From vibrant fruits and vegetables to heart-healthy fats and lean proteins, this article presents an exploration of the Mediterranean Diet Food List, offering insights into its nutritional riches and the joy it brings to both the palate and the body. What makes food Mediterranean diet-friendly? In a world brimming with diets, the Mediterranean diet shines as a timeless beacon of balanced eating and vibrant health. At its heart lies an array of foods that capture the essence of both nourishment and pleasure. In this video, we delve into the key elements that define what makes a food Mediterranean diet-friendly, unraveling the harmonious blend of flavors, nutrients, and cultural heritage that have garnered global admiration. Abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables. Central to the Mediterranean diet is an abundant array of colorful fruits and vegetables. These naturally nutrient-rich foods provide a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. From sun-kissed tomatoes to earthy spinach, these ingredients form the foundation of a diet that promotes well-being. Emphasis on whole grains. Whole grains take center stage in the Mediterranean diet, offering a satisfying source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Foods like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa are filling and contribute to sustained energy levels and digestive health. Healthy fats from olive oil. The Mediterranean diet is synonymous with extra virgin olive oil, a potent source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Olive oil's role in heart health, inflammation reduction, and culinary excellence cannot be overstated, making it a hallmark of Mediterranean cuisine. Lean proteins. Protein sources in the Mediterranean diet lean towards lean and plant-based options. Fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and sardines, provide omega-3 fatty acids that support cardiovascular health. Legumes such as beans and lentils offer protein and fiber, while poultry and lean cuts of meat are enjoyed in moderation. Dairy and dairy alternatives. Dairy in the Mediterranean diet often takes the form of yogurt and cheeses. With its protein content and probiotics, Greek yogurt finds a prominent place. Alternatively, alternative plant-based milk options like almond or oat milk can be embraced. Herbs and spices for flavor. Herbs and spices are the seasoning stars of the Mediterranean diet. These aromatic additions not only elevate taste but also offer potential health benefits. From oregano's robustness to mint's freshness, these flavors create a sensory journey. Savoring the sweetness. While moderation is key, the Mediterranean diet doesn't shy away from sweet pleasures. Fresh fruits and occasional indulgences in honey and dark chocolate provide a touch of sweetness without derailing the diet's healthful focus. Mediterranean diet shopping list for beginners. Fruits. Tomatoes. Olives. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Berries, strawberries, blueberries. Apples. Pears. Grapes. Fig. pomegranates, melons, watermelon, cantaloupe, vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, cucumber, artichokes, onions, legumes, chickpeas, lentils, beans, white beans, black beans, kidney beans, peas, fava beans, whole grains, whole wheat bread, whole grain pasta, brown rice, quinoa, nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, pine nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, fish and seafood, salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna, shrimp, octopus, clams, poultry and meat, in moderation, chicken, turkey, lamb, lean cuts of beef, occasionally, dairy and dairy alternatives, Greek yogurt, feta cheese, goat cheese, mozzarella cheese, skim milk, in moderation, plant-based milk alternatives, almond milk, oat milk, oils and fats, extra virgin olive oil, nuts and seeds oils, walnut oil, flaxseed oil, avocado, nut butters, almond butter, tahini, herbs and spices, basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, parsley, mint, garlic, cumin, paprika, beverages, water, herbal teas, red wine, in moderation, sweets, in moderation, fresh fruit, honey, dark chocolate. The Mediterranean diet is characterized by a wide variety of whole, minimally processed foods that provide a balanced and nutrient-rich approach to eating.